Hey guys, today I'm looking at putting a aftermarket rear spoiler on my Tesla Model Y. This is the standard Model Y. I have a performance Model Y. Mine comes standard with the spoiler already and a little bit larger rims. So I'm going to go to one of my buddy's house who has a long-range Model Y, and we're going to put this spoiler that I ordered on the vehicle. Just inspecting this a little bit as I opened it out of the box. It looks pretty manufactured pretty well. No real nicks or grooves or anything, no residue on it. You can see there's a couple tracks of adhesive that you'll have to peel off, but for the most part this thing looks like it's going to be snug right up against the rear lift of the vehicle. I'll put the link to this this product in the description. I got this one off Amazon, same place I got my side fenders from. Tesla does sell a similar spoiler. This one's a carbon fiber, and you can see it's about 800 bucks on their website. So we'll go ahead and get this over to his house, and we'll look at the process to put it on, and then we'll check out what it looks like once it's installed. And on my performance Model Y, you can see it already comes standard with the rear spoiler. The one I ordered is actually matte black. I thought it might look better with the actual handles on the car that we're gonna put it on, because it fits these same color matte black. Okay, so the process we're gonna follow here, it's pretty simple. We're just gonna hold this up without peeling the adhesive first and line this up as evenly as possible. It helps to use kind of the rear tail lights as a guide towards fixing this, and it fits pretty well anyways, the mold. There's really only one way you can do it. If you had it upside down, it wouldn't fit flush. So I'm going to take some tape here, and we're just going to put the tape on the edges and in the middle. And what that's going to do is it's going to give us a frame to line up both the edges with, and then also what we're going to do is, once we have the tape kind of, it doesn't need to be centered. You just want a piece of tape going across the top like this, and then we'll cut straight through the tape so that you can match up the block of tape to evenly when you go to center this thing back on. So if you have some sort of blade or an X-Acto knife, you can make a little cut right through the center of the tape between the spoiler and the car, and you'll end up with something like this, where you have a piece of tape on the right, you have your piece of tape going across the top with the cut, and then a similar piece of tape on the left side. And at that point, you can kind of remove the spoiler. I'm going to plug in a hair dryer just to heat up the surface of the edge of the car where we're going to stick on the spoiler, and then we'll peel off the adhesive, and then I'll also heat up the spoiler tape adhesive glue a little bit, just to get it a little bit more sticky, and then we'll go ahead and fix it to the vehicle itself. So at this point you're ready to stick it on, and it's very simple. You just want to line up the tape, the centerpiece tape, and make sure it touches the edges of the tape that you had originally put on the sides, and then just give it a little bit of a firm press to push all that tape, that adhesive down, and you're good to go. You can see it's lined up perfectly with the tape there on the center. It touches the edges, so it's exactly where we kind of originally put the tape, the spoiler to begin with.